I'm Michael Morris, and I need to machine a knife. Okay, so I have these paper cutouts. I have my blade, and I have my handle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to trace them onto some thin plywood, and I'm going to cut them out, sand them up a little bit. I'm going to make two handles so that I can sandwich the blade in between it, put some sort of spacers in there. And I'm not going to bore you with the sawing and the sanding process, so I'll be back after I get done with that. Okay, so I have my handles done and my blade done. So what I'm going to do next is drill the holes that I need to drill, put some screws in here, and assemble this little wooden knife and hold it and make sure everything lines up, make sure that I like the way it looks and get the angles right. So yeah, I need a spacer for right here between these two handle scales here, and so I'm going to jump on the lathe and make one of those out of aluminum. Alright, so here's my spacer. Hoping that focuses. So here's my screw. Worked perfect. Alright, let's drill the holes for the handles and assemble it. Alright, let's put this silly thing together. Alright, so I guess we'll put the blade in first, and then we will put this back screw in. See if I can do this. Spacer on there. Alright, see if I can find some screws. Alright, here we go. Come on. Come on. Really? Alright. We got... Doggone. It's alright, I'll go and find it. Oh, I'll just grab another one. Find it later when I step on it. That one doesn't screw all the way in. The Sam Hill going on here. Looks like we have a messed up screw. Dang it, not sure I have another one. A shorter one. Oh, it barely works. Let's see if it catches. Come on, ding dong. Oh yeah, it barely catches. But it works. Ooh. Nice and tight. Huh. Alright, so I got the handles and the blade cut out, drilled, and assembled. And here's what it looks like folded. Alright, so I like the look of it. I think that's cool. It's going to sit more up a little higher like that. The flipper, little finger tab, feels good. It feels like the right place. I can't flip it right now because of the friction, but I like where it's at, and I can imagine being able to really flip it hard. So let's open it up. It's going to open up to probably about right there, and so in my hand feels pretty good. I got to figure out where I want the blade to stop. Probably about right there. The thumb indentation feels right. Feels good there. This finger groove here is bothering me because it's not. It goes like this and then it goes boop straight up like that. So I'm gonna work on the design a little bit, see if I can't smooth that out, because I like curves and I like them to all make sense. And this is just boom, boom. So I'm not really digging that part, but you know, and it just flops all over the place because it doesn't have any pins in there, stoppers or anything like that. So anyway, that's what we got going on right now. The next thing to do is, I've said this before, but sorry, I thought the camera stopped. So the next thing to do is to, and I've been working on this, design it up in Fusion. So I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.